Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Now, student, we are teaching you on the board. So, when I am teaching you, student, then you now at the time when you are watching the videos, at that time take your book and one rough copy and pencil with you to note down the important points. Okay, so that your concepts are clear. Now, student, we are on chapter number 10 and name of the chapter is Our Earth. The name of the chapter is Our Earth. So, student, let's discuss the movement of Earth. Okay, let me discuss the movement of Earth. See, one movement of Earth on its own axis. When we are talking about the movements of Earth, then it has two types of a movement. Okay, okay, student. See, when we are discussing the movement of Earth, it has two types of a movement. One movement of the Earth is known as rotation. One movement of the Earth is known as rotation and other movement of the Earth is known as revolution. Okay, one movement of the Earth is rotation and one movement of the Earth is known as revolution. So, student, one by one I will discuss both the movements of this Earth and also I give you what is the reason for that. Is it clear? What is the reason for that? So, first of all, student, let understand what is rotation. And due to rotation of the Earth, what happens? Due to the rotation of the Earth. Okay, and next is revolution. What happens due to the revolution of the Earth? So, student, we are on chapter number 10, Our Earth. Earth has two types of movements. One is known as rotation and another is known as revolution of the Earth. So, one by one understand, because many students in online classes you are asking this question many times. What is rotation and what is revolution? So, let's start with rotation of the Earth. See, student, this is the picture of the Earth. This is the picture of the Earth. Now, what is rotation, that we discuss, and after that I will explain you what is revolution of the Earth. see there is one imaginary line, there is one imaginary line. हम ऐसा सपोज कर लेते हैं कि अर्थ इस एक्सिस पे क्या कर रही है बेटा, स्पिन कर रही है. अर्थ इज स्पिनिंग. सो वन मोर एग्जांपल आई गिव यू द एग्जांपल ऑफ ए, आप सबने लट्टू देखा होगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो when you throw it with the help of the thread, there is one nail in that and it spins on that. It spin on its this nail. In the same manner, there is one imaginary line that we say axis of the earth. Is it clear? ऐसा हम सपोज करते हैं कि एक इमेजिनरी लाइन है जो अर्थ की एक्सिस है और अर्थ उस पे क्या कर रही है, स्पिन कर रही है. अर्थ क्या कर रही है, स्पिन कर रही है लट्टू की तरह. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज द रीजन? एंड अनदर फैक्ट इज दैट द अर्थ इज स्पिनिंग ऑन इट्स एक्सिस, एंड वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट it is little tilted. The word is tilted. From the book, if you are sitting with your book, then please open page number 6060. Okay student, please open page number 60. So the earth is tilted. What is the meaning of the word tilted? See student, tilted means हल्की सी टेढ़ी है. For example, this is a state, हल्की सी slant. If we are talking in a mathematics language, then this line is known as, you can say this line as a standing line also, or you can say vertical position. What is this? This is a vertical. This line is vertical. Is it clear? And if the line is, if you draw this line is known as horizontal. This line is known as student horizontal. And if you draw this line, see, this is known as slant line. This is totally vertical, or you other name you can also say standing line. This is horizontal. Even you can say sleeping line. And this line is a slant line. It means ये हल्की सी क्या है, टेढ़ी है. हमारी अर्थ भी हल्की सी क्या है, टेढ़ी है, टिल्टेड है. टिल्टेड मीन्स हल्का सा टेढ़ा. या तो आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि बहुत हल्की सी जो अर्थ है सन की ओर थोड़ी सी झुकी है. इज इट क्लियर? एंड द एंगल on which the earth is tilted, that is 23.5 degree. Is it clear? When the earth is in tilted position, so the angle is 23.5 degree. Is it clear? Now student, one time just do the recapitulation. When we are talking about the movements of the earth, one movement of the earth is known as rotation and other movement of the earth is known as revolution. So first I explained you what is the meaning of a rotation of the earth. It means there is an imaginary line, means let we have supposed that, ऐसा हमने माना है कि एक लाइन है, ठीक है, जिस लाइन पे अर्थ क्या है, अपने एक्सिस पे क्या कर रही है, रोटेट कर रही है, स्पिन कर रही है. ओके. एंड दिस position of the earth is little tilted. The position of the earth is little tilted. tilted मतलब हल्की सी, जैसे ये स्टेट है हल्की सी तिरछी है, टेढ़ी है ना, ठीक है। और आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि हल्की सी वो सन की ओर क्या है, झुकी हुई है, जैसे ये स्टेट ना होके हल्की से ऐसे टिल्टेड है, झुकी हुई है। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ सी स्टूडेंट दैट and what is the angle on which the earth is tilted? That angle is 23.5 degree. That angle is 23.5 degree. Is it clear? Now student, the question arises, what happens due to the rotation of the earth? Okay, let's understand student. I am rubbing this diagram. One more time, you want to see, you can see this diagram. This is earth, this is your planet earth, and the movement of the earth which I explained you, that is rotation. That is rotation. Now student, try to understand what happens due to the rotation of the earth. जो अर्थ अपने एक्सिस पे स्पिन कर रही है, सो अर्थ के ये स्पिन होने से, इस अर्थ की इस मूवमेंट से क्या होता है, व्हाट्स हैपन ड्यू टू द स्पिनिंग ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन इट्स एक्सिस। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। सी स्टूडेंट, it causes day and night. See, I underline it so that you can understand. Due to the rotation, see here I have written the word rotation. So student, due to the rotation of the earth, what causes? It causes day and night. It causes day and night. How this is possible student? See, you can do one activity in your house. आप अपने घर में एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो। एक बॉल लेना, ठीक है, एक बॉल लेना, अपने मम्मी या पापा जो भी घर में या आपके कोई एल्डर ब्रदर सिस्टर हैं, ठीक है, उस बॉल को टॉर्च के सामने रखना, ठीक है। आप जब टॉर्च ऑन करोगे, सो जो बॉल का जो पोर्शन टॉर्च की लाइट के सामने होगा, वहां क्या होगी, लाइट होगी, और उसका ऑपोजिट पोर्शन जहां पे टॉर्च की लाइट नहीं जा रही है, वहां क्या होगा, डार्क होगा। फिर आप उस बॉल को टर्न करना, जो डार्क पोर्शन था, व्हेन इट कम टू द फ्रंट पोर्शन, वहां पे लाइट हो जाएगी ड्यू टू द टॉर्च। और जो आपका लाइट वाला पोर्शन था, नाउ विच गोज टू द बैक, इट बिकम डार्क। सो स्टूडेंट, द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, व्हाट हैपेंस ड्यू टू द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ? सो स्टूडेंट, it causes day and night. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Is it clear? You can do this small activity in your house with your family members also. Now student, a very good question which I want to discuss with you, that many students ask when the teacher is teaching the rotation movement of the earth. At that time many students ask a question, sir, why the earth is spinning on its axis? If it is not spinning and the earth is stable, what does it mean? It means that बच्चे ये क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि सर अर्थ स्पिन क्यों करती है अपने एक्सेस पे? इससे अच्छा रहता है कि वो स्टेबल रहती। क्या रहती? स्टेबल। इससे बेटर होता है सर कि अर्थ स्टेबल रहती, क्यों स्पिन कर रही है? तो फर्स्टली आई एक्सप्लेन यू द रीजन दैट ड्यू टू द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ डे एंड नाइट आर फॉर्म्ड। दिन और रात कैसे होते हैं? ड्यू टू रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ, एंड यू कैन डू understand this also with the help of a very simple activity which you can do in the home. Now student ask this question, this I mark it question, because whenever you are studying science, everything has some reason. You can't cram it. आप उसका रट्टा नहीं लगा सकते हो बेटा. कुछ भी है तो उसके पीछे क्या एक रीजन होता है. क्या होता है? एक रीजन होता है. So this is a very common question which is always asked from the student side to the teacher. Sir, if the earth is stable, earth क्या है? Stable है, वो ना घूमे, so what happened? So see student kids, understand this reason. For example, this is the earth and now this is earth, and now earth is stable. What does it mean? It means that earth is not spinning. अब वो घूम नहीं रही है, बस एक जगह पे खड़ी हो गई, स्टेबल है. So student, what happens? Earth, our planet name is earth, and from where we are getting the light, student? We are getting the light of a sun. For example, see, I draw sun like this. This is the light of the sun. Okay student, the name of our planet is earth. हमारे planet का क्या नाम है बेटा? earth. And what is the source of light on our planet? That is sun. That is sun. That is sun. Now student, try to understand, if the earth is stable, then what's happened? बेटा अब इसने स्पिन करना बंद कर दिया, ये स्टेबल हो गई. तो अब जब स्टेबल होगी, जो सन की जो रेज है, लाइट जा रही है, बस इस पोर्शन पे जा रही है, फ्रंट पोर्शन विच इज टुवर्ड्स द सन. सारी लाइट इस पोर्शन को मिल रही है. दिस पोर्शन इज ओनली गेटिंग द लाइट, बिकॉज अब अर्थ क्या स्टेबल है, स्पिन नहीं कर रही है, स्पिन नहीं कर रही है. सो स्टूडेंट, व्हाट हैपेंस? This portion of the earth which is getting the light continuous, continuous मतलब लगातार, वो बात अलग है बेटा. हम लोग कहते हैं कि सन रोज डूबता है और रोज मॉर्निंग में निकल आता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. ऐसा हमें इसलिए लगता है, क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी अर्थ रोटेट कर रही है, स्पिन कर रही है. तो जो पोर्शन सन के सामने होता है, लाइट होती है, दैट बिकम डे, and the back portion which come in the front, that become day, and the front portion which go to the back, that become night. Is it clear? Now see, the earth is stable. It means this portion of the earth is getting continuous. Continuous word is continuous. The word is continuous. It means this portion of the earth is getting the continuous light. लगातार इस पोर्शन को लाइट मिल रही है, सिर्फ इस पोर्शन को, क्योंकि बस यही है सामने, टर्न तो कर नहीं रहा है, स्पिन कर नहीं रहा है. तो what the condition arises? ऐसे में बेटा पता क्या कंडीशन अराइज होती? The portion of the earth which is in front of the sunlight, यहाँ हमेशा डे होता, all the time this portion which get continuous light of the sun is day. And now this portion, student, which I have not colored, it means this portion getting no light, this portion getting no light. So all the time this portion which is not getting light, it is dark. So what is the condition arises here? All the time here we have night. All the time we have night. So I hope with the simple things all of you are able to understand what is the rotation of the earth. So before rubbing the board, one time we do the recapitulation of the things what we have written on the board, and after that I give you the explanation of revolution of the earth. Is it clear? Now come to the board. We start from here. We are talking about the movements of the movement of earth. So earth has two types of, many types of movement? Two types. One is rotation and one is revolution. So student, firstly we discuss rotation. Due to the rotation of the earth, what causes? It causes day and night. And maximum student ask this question: if the earth is stable, then what's happened? This is a question which is asked by the very common question asked by the student many times. So this is the earth, this is a sunlight. With the help of this example I explained you, if there is no spinning of the earth, so our planet earth is getting light from the sun. Sun is the source of light on our planet. Is it clear? Now it means now the earth is not spinning. So all the time this portion is getting continuous light of the earth. So half of the portion, this portion always get the light of the sun. So this portion is day. And the opposite side of the earth, if you see, this portion is not getting light. It means it is a dark portion. So student, what type of condition here? All the time it is night. I hope you all are able to understand what is the rotation of the earth. Now let understand student the other movement of the earth, which we say revolution. Is it clear? Okay, before explaining you revolution, first of all, let's understand the meaning of the word orbit. O R B I T, orbit. O R B I T, orbit. Because many students have a confusion that sir, what is orbit? So student, orbit is a fixed path. See, around the sun 8 planets are taking the round. Okay, so all the planets have their fixed path. Is it clear? So the fixed path of any planet who is taking round of the sun, that is known as orbit. You can also say definite path or you can say fixed path. So the fixed path of all the planets having their fixed path on which they take the round of the sun, that is known as orbit. That is known as orbit. Is it clear? Now I hope there should be no confusion regarding to the word orbit. Orbit is a path of the planets who are taking a round of the sun. Is it clear? Now see student, let's understand what is revolution. This is here in the top, revolution. See, the position of our planet Earth, and you know student, our planet Earth is also known as a unique planet. There is one more special name given to our planet. हमारे planet को एक special, जैसे होता है ना क्लास में सारे बच्चे होते हैं, लेकिन किसी बच्चे को मैम या सर मॉनिटर बना दे तो वो लगता है या वो क्लास का सबसे जिम्मेदार बच्चा है. क्यों? या तो मैम का बहुत फेवरेट है. क्यों? क्योंकि ही वाज द मॉनिटर ऑफ द क्लास. आपको प्राउड फील होता है व्हेन आपके बड़े अगर आपको कोई काम करने की जिम्मेदारी देते हैं कि बेटा हमें पूरा विश्वास है आप ये काम कर सकते हो अच्छे से, तो आपको काफी प्राउड फील होता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो देयर आर 8 planets. Why we say Earth as a unique planet? Unique. Word is unique. Word is unique. Why we say it as a unique planet? See student, because out of 8 planets, our Earth is the only planet which have life. Life मतलब तो सब समझते हो ना, So this is the only planet which have life. Is it clear? Now student, or you can also say that the conditions which are required for the living, air, water, food, all things are present in our planet, that is known as earth. That is the reason also student we say earth as a unique planet. Okay, now see revolution. Earth, sun, for example this is sun, for example this is sun, and one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I draw these with these dot lines, with these dot lines stands for the orbit. ये क्या है? Orbit है. These are orbit. You can say orbit, which I already explained you. These are the fixed path on which the planet take a round. On which the planets take a round. So student, when the earth is taking a round of the round, it means the earth take a round of the sun. So that movement of the earth is known as revolution. In one movement, earth is moving on its own axis. Just earth is moving its own axis. For example, I am standing here in front of you. So just see the rotation. For example, Rupesh sir is a earth. Now see the rotation of Rupesh sir. What I am doing? I am doing the rotation, spinning. This movement is known as on my own axis. I am spinning. Okay, but student, if this type of activity we do, we take less than second to do this for taking one round. But see on our axis. But see student, our earth is so big. अर्थ जो हमारी बहुत बड़ी है. अर्थ क्या है? बहुत बड़ी है. इसलिए उसको अपनी एक एक्सिस पे टर्न करने में कितना टाइम लगता है? 24 आवर्स. 24 hours. And that is the reason student, one day equal to 24 hours. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? That is the reason student, one day is equal to 24 hours. Now student, the earth is taking the round. See, the earth is taking the round of the sun. So earth is taking the round of the sun. That is known as, what this is known as? This is known as revolution of the earth. This is known as revolution of the earth around the sun, and it is done, and this fixed path is known as, orbit. Okay, so student, you note down all the things, and with the help of these diagram you are able to understand the topic in much simple way. So when you are watching the video student, please, on which topic I am teaching, open that page, and at the time of watching the video, please after it read the page. Thank you all of you.